So first of all, a very warm good morning to you all. So we welcome you to NE Karbi Life, the mirror of society. So I am Daimir Deron P of 10th standard and I studied here at Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy Higher Secondary School, Jengka. So today we have science and art exhibition in our school.
Hello, my name is Yasmin Terang P and I studied here in Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy in 10th standard.
So once again, we welcome you all to NE Karbi Life, the mirror of society. As I have told before that we are having science and art exhibition in our school. So now we would like to show you all how our student is working for this process and how they'll explain. So finally we are in. So these are all the projects that have been done by our student. So this is the project. They made it with thermocols and this all with the color papers and all. They decorated it very nicely. And what is this, Ertalin? House. Okay, this is a house. So they are all making the buildings. Look, all they are making it with thermocols. This one. The school Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy. Yes. So this is the working model. So what is this? Hem top. This is hem top. It is made with bamboo. So what is this?
Solar system.
What is this?
Solar system.
Solar system. They are making it with art paper, color paper and all. This is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Yeah, this is Sun. So these are all the things that is required in the Karbi traditional. These are. So can you tell me about this?
Yes, this all are. This is lang bong. This is used for drinking water, and this is bong dam dam. This is used for worship. Festival like Chojun. This all and hor my bong. This is used for asking, like going to ask for relationship. And hor bong so used for worship. And this is hor bong same. And this is bong krok used for wedding ceremony.
This is chaladeng. This is ingta longtok. Means this is where it is used.
This is used by in olden times. This is used by a grand ladies.
This no tengpi.
Thank you.
This is all used by the olden days people. It is mainly used olden days, but not that much now. So they are showcasing this also. So these are all the traditional dress. They are collecting this from the old peoples. This all. So selling for girls, peniku, pelu, rin cheto, piba, Peharjon, everything. And can you tell what is this?
Handkerchief.
Handkerchiefs. Okay. And who made this?
Student.
Okay. These all are made by the students of Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy School. So this is. So what is this? This is called season. Okay. Summer to spring, right? And spring to okay. So what is this?
Motorcycle and air pollution.
Can you explain?
Yes.
Okay.
Motorcycle means sunlight go to the sea or river and evaporation go to the cloud. The cloud heavy then will full rain in mountain or village.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So we have just show you the project of our junior students. So now we will show you our senior students project. So be with us. And there are lots of school who are coming here and participating in this today's science exhibition. So now we will show you. So be with us. So this is the place for our senior student exhibition. So now we will show you. Now firstly we would like to show you this human alimentary canal, which is also called human digestive system. Excuse me. So sister, can you explain about this?
Yes. So first let me introduce myself. My name is Ronghang P of 10th standard, and this is my topic about human digestive system. And this function is present in our body, and the food which we eat, it will transfer through our mouth, and inside our mouth, the food we will chew, and while chewing the foods or the things which we eat, and to swallow the food, it helps salivary glands. Salivary glands is to help for swallow the food easily, and from mouth to esophagus, it will transfer, and esophagus considered as a food pipe, and from esophagus to stomach. And in stomach, it's present 3 types of digestive system. So that is 1, trypsins, pepsins, and hydrochloric acid. And trypsins is to break down the proteins, and pepsins is to break down the fats, and hydrochloric acid is to break down the food particles. And the food particles which we eat, and from stomach to through small intestines will transfer, and the foods which doesn't digest, it will transfer to large intestines, and in large intestine it is presence of belly, and this belly function is to absorb foods, waters, nutrients, proteins, and vitamins, and the food particles which we eat, it will remain, and that waste particles of foods will transfer through anus, and in anus it will transfer like it will excrete as a tools or as a dungs. So and in our stomach, small intestine have 15 to 19 feet, and in large intestine have 5 feet. Only this. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is also one project, that is global warming. Global warming, and this is painted by the student of here, Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy. So save art, save tree, save art, and go green. Yeah. As we know that global warming is very harmful, so they show a best idea about this. So let's move again. So welcome. So what is this project name?
Rainwater harvesting.
So can you explain us a little bit about this?
Yes, I will be trying to explain. Okay. Rainwater harvesting means storing or collecting of rainwater in one place is called rainwater harvesting. And this water is also a helpful thing. And this water will prevent from floods, etc.
Thank you so much.
Let me tell the process. first of all, the water will fall on this roof, and this water will store here. And this place is too small, so this place will not sufficient. And the rainwater, that rainwater we need to filter because there is more acid. In that water there is more acid, and acid is poisonous for us. And so that this water will supply up to this filtration tank. And this here the water will filter, and this water will supply up to this water tank. And there will in this tank there will be more water, and if we want water, then here we need to open this tap, and the water will goes or supply into this tank. Into this pipe, and this pipe will help for flowering watering gardens, agriculture, and this water will help for cooking utensils, washing utensils, for washing clothes, and for bathing. And we can drink this water, but we cannot drink daily.
Okay.
This water
Thank you so much. Okay, so what is this?
This is a hologram which works with the help of mobile.
Thank you so much. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Ronghang and I'm from 10th standard.
Okay, so what is your project for today's?
My project is glass prism, which is a two-sided triangular and a three-sided rectangular shape glass. So a prism works when a white light reflects through the prism and it turns the colors into its 7 components. As you can see, it is a rainbow. It contains of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
First effect. Which part of eyes?
As you can see, it may not be as beautiful as it is in the dark. And this is its second use of prism. When an incident ray refracts through the prism, it bends the light towards its normal. As it is supposed to go up, but it refracts the light toward its normal. As you can see, it is a straight line, but when it refracts to prism, it bends the light towards its normal because of its refractive index. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So these are the things they made. There are so many students here coming to visit our place. So this is like a natural project. Look at this. This is made with mud. Okay. So can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Sardokpo.
So what is the name of this project?
The name of this project is Types of Irrigation.
So can you explain a little bit about this?
So basically this is a paddy field, and whenever there is no rain or the soil is dried, so we can supply water to the paddy field through dam water.
Okay, thank you so much. So now, this is the office room of Principal of Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy School. So now we would like to talk a little bit of him about the topics of science and art exhibition here at Sardokpo Ronghang Memorial Academy School. So be with us. So good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Good morning.
So, sir, we want you to tell something about today's science and art exhibition here at your school.
Okay. This is not at our school. Not your school, but our school. Nah? So, firstly, about this science and arts exhibition, we were starting last year. And this will be the second time for our school. And this we were like organizing, or we were like putting this science and arts exhibition actually for our students so that they can learn something. And it is very important that in these days all the students should get the knowledge about science and also the knowledge about arts, because it is not enough only from the theory. Practical is what they will learn more. so that when they do practical things again, they will get to explain and then go deep about this science or any arts. So that is why we are keeping this exhibition. So now one thing, even the students were very much excited about this science project, what they have made, the models and all, because the first time when they are admitted in the school, like they know only about the theory, they know only about all this. So that is why after keeping this science experience, science exhibition or arts exhibition, I hope that the students will get something and then they will really experience about, and also they are getting to expose and then get the chance to exchange with other schools. So we were inviting other schools, and also the schools were like at least 11 schools we were inviting. Not only the schools but also the higher secondary and college we were inviting. So they were coming and then very happily they were like taking chance by themselves to explain about. And then even the schools, the school students from other, they were very much happy about this, so that they got chance to exchange and then they got chance to interact for this science and arts exhibition.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, can you express your feelings about today's beautiful programs here? Means, how do you feel?
Now I feel very great and I feel very happy because all my students, especially not that I'm saying for my students, but the students coming from other school also, they are very happy. I saw them and I know by looking their face. So it is very great feelings for me and very happy that I got a chance to like organize this kinds of program. And I cannot express that through words, but I'm really very happy so that this kind of activities or this kind of program will keep on this one. The coming days also we will keep on organizing. So I'm very, very, very much happy for this.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for watching NE Karbi Live, the mirror of society. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the people of Karbi Anglong who are watching NE Karbi Live, the mirror of society. Thank you.